Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll design this menu here. You can learn the process and apply the skills when you design your own menu. Now, let's begin. First, let's create. Choose presentations. The canvas size of the presentation option is 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels. No matter the size of your TVs, if your TV or display is mounted wide, choose 1920 by 1080. If it's standing tall, choose 1080 by 1920. These are the standard HD screen sizes. In this video, we are going to choose horizontal 1920 by 1080. Here, let's upload image. Now let's go to Uploads, Upload Files. You can download the images used for the tutorial at the link in the description. Click on the image to place it. Change the size. We will create text box here. Change it to left justified. And let's bold it. Adjust the letter spacing. Let's add another text box. Now change the color. Unbold the text. Let's search for the font we need. Click on the font name, then type it in the search box. Quick adjustment here. Now let's do a drag and drop to select the area to grab multiple objects. Let's lock the object so we don't accidentally move it. Right-click on it, then you will see the option. Making small adjustments here. We will create text box here. Now change the color. Let's search for the font we need. Click on the font name, then type it in the search box. And let's bold it. And capitalize it. Adjust the line spacing. Let's add another text box. And this is the same steps we did. Change it to the same font. We covered these steps, so I will speed things up. Since we are going to use the same font, let's copy and paste existing text box. Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste, and if you made a mistake, Ctrl+Z to undo. Remember, these shortcut keys are your best friends. Throughout the design process, we will maintain the minimum font size for readability. Let me show you the recommended font chart. The font size should be adjusted accordingly, depending on your TV size and the distance between the customer and the TV. You can refer to the chart. The chart is showing recommended font sizes. For example, if your TV is 50 inches and 7 feet away from the customer, 18-point size is recommended. However, please note, these values are approximate. The font size might differ depending on your case. Let's assume the minimum font size is 16 for this design. After this, we will add a price. Since we are going to use the same font, let's copy and paste existing text box. These steps are basically the same as what we covered so far. Making small adjustments here. Making the rest of the items. Now let's add a line. Go to Elements, select Straight Line. Place it vertically. change the line thickness, and adjust the transparency. Let's make another set of this to keep the same format. Okay, here I will fast forward the same steps. Making the rest of the items. Now let's add a line. Let's rotate it. Now we will add another category. Let's make a shape. Scroll down to the banner section. Click on the element to place it. Adjust the width. Okay, here I will fast forward the same steps. Let's make another set of this to keep the same format. Now we will use the skills we learned so far to work on the rest. After this, let's move on to next step. Let's add images. Let's remove the background. If you're using Canva Pro, you can remove the background directly in Canva. Otherwise, you can use Adobe Express. Their background remover is free and the link is in the description. Add another image. Let's flip this image. Go to Elements. Let's search for an image. Move to the right to look for the price. Go to the Photos section tab and choose the free filter option. Now we will work on shadow effects. Let's search for a shadow element. Let's bring it to the image. We will make multiple copies of the shadow but make them in different sizes and overlap them to make it stronger. And another one. Let's bring the image to the front. Let's group it. Let's search for a shadow element. Move to the right to look for the price tab and choose the free filter option. These steps are basically the same as what we covered so far. And another one. Let's search for a different shadow element and adjust the transparency. To deselect it, hold the Shift key, then click on the object to deselect it. Okay, here I will fast forward the same steps. Double-click, then adjust the frame size to crop it. And this is the same steps we did. Nice, we are almost there. Making small adjustments here. Now all done. Let's rename it to your restaurant name. Go to File, then click on Move, look under All, and under your project. Here, create a new folder. Let's name it as your restaurant name as well. Let me close this to show you how to open it for next time. This screen is what you will see first when you open Canva. Under Projects, you will see the folder you created here. Now let's export it. Go to Share and click on Download. Now under the drop-down menu, choose PNG. When you are done, click Download. Now save the PNG image files you downloaded in your USB stick. Then plug it in your smart TV. Every TV is different, but there is a setting where you can display media files in your USB. That's all for today, everyone. Thank you for staying with me. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. If you want to skip the setup, you can grab the editable template from my store. The link is in the description. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.